Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the Node.js and MongoDB connection. So if you don't have the account in the MongoDB Atlas, so you can create it with using the Google credentials only. So just go to the Google and type MongoDB Atlas. So if you already know how to connect the MongoDB and Node.js, you can skip this lecture. So here I am just opening the official website of the MongoDB Atlas database. You can see I have two buttons, sign in and try free. So I already have my account. I'm just clicking on the sign in button. Now here I'll click on the Google. So it got logged in already. Yeah. So here you can see this is the logged in user interface of the MongoDB Atlas. Here you will be having three different buttons in the main area: connect, view monitoring, browse collections. So if you click on the browse collections, you will be having the list of databases. So we don't require that now here. Just get the connection URL. That is what we want to do. So click on the connect. So you got this model pop-up. Now in this model pop-up, you just need to click on this third one, connect using MongoDB Compass. Click on this, and here you can see copy the connection string. So just copy this string. So while pasting in the code base, you just need to replace this password with the original password. So if you have not created any account in this dashboard yet, you just need to click on this database access here, and you need to create the user account. So copy this and come to the code base. Okay, so in this root level, I'm going to create a .env file, and Mongo URL is equal to, I'm just putting it here, and here I'll just write database name will be Shame Movies Udemy. Okay, I'll replace my password. Okay, done. Now let's go to the server. I'm creating my first folder, that is config. In this config, let me write dbconfig.js. So here we need to perform few steps: import the mongoose, and then connect the mongoose with the object mongoose connect. So process dot env dot mongo url, sorry, mongo url. So make sure the spelling is correct. Mongo URL, here also Mongo URL. Done. Now you just need to create the connection object. Const connection is equal to mongoose.connection. Now you need to verify the connection. Connection dot on connected, have an arrow function as the callback, and print console.log MongoDB connection successful. MongoDB connection successful. Else on error, print the error. That's all. MongoDB connection failed. Okay, now go to the server.js. So we are using the .env environment variables, right? So first we need the require .env config, and now const config is equal to, or else dbconfig is equal to require ./config/dbconfig. That's all. So here you can see we got some deprecated warnings that we can ignore, but we got the message MongoDB connection successful here. So to see our code is working properly or not, just replace the password in the .env. So I'm just replacing my password with a letter, and I'm going to restart the server. Nodemon server/server. It has to throw the error. Yeah, you can see I got the error. The error message should be related to authentication failed. So this is working as expected because we have given the invalid password. Okay, this is the valid thing. Nodemon server/server. Yes, Node.js server MongoDB connection successful. So now to get or to resolve this error, they are giving a query MongoDB set strict query false. So just copy this and go to the mongoose. Okay. Yes. So this time I didn't got any warnings. So this is working perfectly. Now we are done with the backend setup also. So in the next section we are going to work on the authentication module in the backend. Thank you.